Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard of fruits. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll want fresh, ripe fruits like berries, peaches, or bananas. For the custard, we'll need milk, sugar, egg yolks, and a little cornstarch. Make sure you have a saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite serving dishes ready to go. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion. Now, let's create that creamy custard base. In a bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks and 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Meanwhile, gently warm 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. Slowly pour some warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper it. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until it thickens beautifully. With our custard base ready, it's time for the star of the show, the fruits. Wash and chop your favorite fruits into bite-sized pieces. Make sure your custard has cooled completely before you add the fruit. Gently fold the fresh fruit into the creamy custard. For an elegant presentation, you can layer the fruit and custard in individual glasses. Then, chill for at least 2 hours to set perfectly. Here are a few tips to make your fruit custard truly exceptional. To avoid scorching, consider using a double boiler when cooking the custard. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract after the custard has thickened. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit combinations. Finally, a sprig of fresh mint or a light dusting of cinnamon makes a lovely garnish. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.